Hello there, YouTubers. This is Andy with RC Journeys, where I went from playing with little cars to now big cars, rotary cars. Today we're going to do an unboxing of some new coils, wires I just purchased off of eBay for 200 bucks. Let's go check them out. And here we have the package. Bear with me, I have to do this one-handed. That's one side. That's the other side. Let's see what we got in here. We had good reviews on the internet about these, so let's hope we got a good set. Anyway, this is my 2004 Mazda RX8. Kit comes with some nuts and bolts. Oh, this looks like it's the new harness, because you will have to change the harness when you upgrade the coils. There's pieces to the harness. Oh, and this is by NP Boosted. I'm not getting any money off of this, so, but this is their product. Here are the coils. Guess we'll just pull one out. We got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yep, they're all here. Ooh, they feel pretty heavy duty too. These are GM coils made by, especially for Mazda. They look to see in pretty good shape. Okay, that's one. That's two. Try not to put them in the sun yet. Keep the harness over there. Let's see. This is number 3. They look like they were a lower price because, I don't know, they got a couple scratches on them. But, it shouldn't affect anything. Maybe that's why they were discounted. And what else we got? We have the, these are the plugs for the coils, because you will have to change the, air adapters for the coils. That's that. And I believe these are 10 millimeter wires. There should be 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yep, they're all there. So there's everything in here except an instruction manual. I don't see one. No instruction manual. Alright. Well, I guess I'm going to have to figure this all out myself. Well, there you have it. That's the unboxing of 1, 2, 3. Make sure they're all here. Well, I guess it's pretty self-explanatory. Anyway, there's the unboxes of, I think these are D585 coils, I believe. Yeah. Anyway, we're going to be replacing these. I might make a video of how the car starts and runs before I change these out, and then do an after on how if it made any difference. I mean, it shouldn't make a difference. It says it makes a difference, but you know, never can tell. But yeah, there you have it for 200 bucks. You get everything you need to switch over your RX8 coils and wires. I got plugs on order. For some reason they only send me the 2 top ones. I still need the 2 lower ones. I don't understand that. Maybe it's because of the virus, but yeah. But anyway, there you have it. So as soon as I get these put on, figure out how to put them together. Like I said, I'll do a before and after video on how the car runs, and we'll see how they do. Okay, for now, this is Andy, RC Journeys, Rotary Car Journeys, and this was the unboxing of the D585 coil for your rotary engine on my 2004 Mazda RX8. So you guys take it easy, watch out for that virus, and like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back with another video. Take it easy, guys. Bye bye.